Facebook engagement is becoming more difficult every year. Organic reach is constantly decreasing, and many people feel like Facebook no longer works without ads. The truth is, organic reach is not dead. The real problem is how most people are posting manually, one profile at a time, takes too much time, lacks consistency, and quickly becomes impossible when you manage multiple Facebook profiles. That's why many profiles fail to grow and never get stable engagement. In this video, I'm going to show you a smarter and more scalable way to increase Facebook engagement and reach organically by using bulk posting on Facebook profiles with automation done the right way. This is the software I'm using. First, let's talk about account management. Inside the system, you can add and manage multiple Facebook profiles from one single dashboard. Each profile runs independently with its own browser environment, behavior, and settings. This is very important because Facebook does not like identical or repetitive actions. By separating each profile properly, your accounts look like real users, not automation. This helps your profiles stay safe and build trust over time. Next, we move to the posting feature. Here, you choose the option to post directly to Facebook profiles. Before posting anything, you need to prepare your content. You can do this inside the content management section. You can add text posts, image posts, or mixed content. The key here is to keep everything natural, short text, simple captions, real-looking images. This is exactly the type of content Facebook prefers to push organically. You can prepare multiple posts in advance and store them in your content library. This saves a huge amount of time and helps you stay consistent. Once your content is ready, you select which posts you want to publish and choose the Facebook profiles you want to run. Then, you set the number of threads. This controls how many profiles will post at the same time. After that, you set the delay between each post. Instead of fixed timing, the software uses random intervals. This step is extremely important. Random delays make every action look human and avoid spam signals. You can also enable auto comment after posting, which helps trigger early engagement and increases reach naturally. When everything is set up, you simply click Start. Now the system takes over. Each Facebook profile opens in its own browser window. Each account logs in separately with a different browser fingerprint and a different IP address. From Facebook's perspective, these are real users posting naturally at different times. This behavior builds trust, and trust is the key to organic reach. When Facebook trusts your profiles, your posts get shown to more people. More reach leads to more engagement. More likes, more comments, more profile visits, and more messages in your inbox. And the most important part is that all of this is done organically. No ads, no spam, no risky shortcuts. This method is perfect for marketers, online sellers, agencies, and businesses that manage multiple Facebook profiles and want to scale without burning time or accounts. Instead of wasting hours posting manually, you focus only on creating content. The system handles posting, timing, and execution automatically. This is how you can increase Facebook engagement and reach organically in 2025, using bulk posting the smart way. If you want to try this software, check the link in the description below. You can also contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.